Taking a loan from your life insurance policy is something that a lot of people have some misconceptions about. So I wanted to go in and clear up what that meant and why it's something that you might want to consider in some certain circumstances. My name is Jake Williams, and I'm a life insurance specialist with Step Up Wealth Management. For more information on life insurance or how that can fit into a comprehensive financial plan tailored around you and your goals, be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified immediately anytime I upload a new video. So it seems a little bit weird, and some people get confused on why you might want to take a loan from yourself out of your own life insurance policy. But there are some benefits that that can have, especially if you have a policy that you set up with this idea in mind. So, what we're talking about is the cash value of a permanent life insurance policy. Whether that's a universal life policy or a whole life policy, it's a permanent life insurance policy that carries a cash value. And there are two ways that you can access that cash value. You can either just take a withdrawal of that money, or you can take a loan from it. And the reason you probably want to, well, the reason people take loans and the biggest benefit of taking a loan over a straight withdrawal is a loan is tax-free. A withdrawal from your life insurance policy, if you're just withdrawing the premiums that you've paid in, you don't pay premiums to take those withdrawals out, but any kind of growth on that cash value is going to be taxed when you withdraw it. Whereas a loan, you take that loan and there's the intention of you paying it back, so there's no tax taken on the loan itself. And there are two primary reasons that people take loans from their life insurance policy. The first one is as a loan. So instead of taking a loan from the bank or from some other type of dealer, people might take loans from their cash value life insurance to buy a new car or a down payment on a house or things like vacations or any other number of things. You can take a loan from the cash value of your policy, and then you're paying that interest back into your life insurance instead of paying the interest to a bank. That's one way that people, or one reason why people will take loans from their life insurance policy. Another one is they will use it as a source of tax-free income, specifically in retirement. So you'll take this loan out of your cash value of your life insurance, but when you're doing it that way, you have to be aware that taking that loan does reduce the death benefit of your life insurance policy. Now, whether you're taking the loan for the purpose of a loan to pay for something else, or you're using it as tax-free income in retirement, that loan does reduce the death benefit of your life insurance. So you need to be aware of that, and you need to have accounted for that. However, if you've set up the policy in a way where you're cognizant of what impacts the loan has, you're aware of it, and you're accounting for it, it can give you some really neat options, whether that is the ability to take loans from yourself instead of taking a loan from the bank or from a car dealership or wherever else you may need to take the loan, or having tax-free income in retirement. Those are some great options that you can use the cash value of a permanent life insurance policy for, but you need to make sure that the policy is set up properly to allow that to happen. There's a lot of complex things in motion on that, so the best thing that you can do is to work with a professional when you're setting these things up. If you've got questions on ways that you can take a loan from a policy or reasons that you might want to take a loan from your policy, drop me a comment down below. It's great to hear what you guys have questions on, and it leads me into future videos that I can do. If you liked the video, if you thought it was good information, give me a thumbs up. It lets me know I'm getting you guys the answers to the questions that you have, and it lets YouTube know that I'm giving you guys the information that you're looking for, and it helps them move my videos up the ladder. But most importantly, if you want to know how you can utilize this situation, this scenario in your unique financial plan with your life situations around your goals, there is a link in the description below where you can apply to become my client. We'll do a little bit of fact finding. We'll figure out just what you need and how we can get it for you. And then we are off and running. Make sure you take care of your now, your future, and beyond.